What is up, guys? In previous video I showed you how to unlock the Ninebot F3, F3 Pro, ZT3 Pro and others to 32 km per hour. So in this video you will see how to unlock it to 35 km per hour. That's actually official maximum from Ninebot. And in the United States market it can go up to 35 km per hour, but in the Europe market, German market can go up to 20 or 25 km per hour. So how to unlock the 35 km per hour? First of all, you need to enter the scooter hacking utility. I already showed. I will leave a link in the description below in the previous video how to unlock to 32. So once you do it, you can easily unlock it to 35. Firstly, what you need to do, open scooter hacking utility. After this, find your scooter here. You see scooter appears, F3, just connect it. First time you need to click power button to connect. One last step. Okay, let's try one more time. Pairing. Okay, so you see F3 scooter appeared, click on it, Bluetooth connected, navigation available. Okay, last step, click power button one time. Okay, it's connected, so as you see now I have F3 US 32 km per hour. So we can change the region and go to F3 Global, which supports 35 km per hour. If you have F3 Pro or any other, of course, select yours. I have F3, so click on F3 Global. Wait until it will beep. Okay, now also you should put this indicator to 30. Okay, it should be reconnected as you see. Connected back. Okay, I'm connected. You see F3 Global, 35 km per hour. Go here and put 35. Now let's test it out. So I'm in the parking mode. Just disable the parking mode, put it up, and see how fast it go. Okay, as you see 33, it's going 34, 35, going easily without any issues. Let's try one more time. 34, 35 km per hour, going easily. That's how simple, for 2 minutes you can unlock your Ninebot F series scooter or any other like ZT3 Pro and other new scooters to 35 km per hour.